So we're here, we've got Al Blackie here from the Waimakariri District Council. He's one of our councillors for the district who have been really supportive of this whole project, so it's great to have Al involved. It was August last year now that we set out to raise about $20,000 for the restoration of this section of the Silverstream, so about 350 metres in total. We've been able to raise all of that, which has been awesome, so we're really grateful to everybody that gave to the project.
Yeah, I'll just endorse what you've said, Dan, and everybody watching this, do come down and have a look. This creek is something. It's flowing at about 4 cumecs, it's clean, it's clear, shingle bottom. Even if you're not getting involved with the planting, come and walk the reserve, look for the car park on South Eyre Road and come and have a look. It's a beautiful bit of the country.
When volunteers plant plants, they feel a sense of ownership, and we want the community to feel a sense of ownership with this reserve and just help to make it a better place.
We're going to have a series of planting days starting from mid-March through to about early May. If you want to get involved, if you go to the project, you'll be able to find out more about those on the Reserve Facebook page, which is facebook.com/Silverstream Reserve. You can also keep an eye on the council website, www.waimakariri.govt.nz. Silverstream is a terrific asset. It's one of the highest quality lowland streams we've got in Canterbury. It supports a real range of aquatic fauna, as well as being incredibly clear and incredibly low in contaminants. So it's more important now than ever that we are doing everything we can to protect that. So we want to say thanks to everybody that donated to the project, and we're incredibly grateful.